Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a WhatsApp backup on OPPO Find X9 Pro. Okay, we need to open up our WhatsApp. Once we are here, we need to click on those three dots in the top right corner and open up the settings. Now find Chats, scroll down, click on Chat Backup. Now let's begin with the Google account first. Simply tap on that. And in my case, as you can see, this Google account is selected. And on that account, to be more precise, in the cloud of this account, our backup will be saved and stored. So, for example, if you want to restore that backup later in the future, you'll need to be logged in into the same Google account that you have selected right in here, right now. Of course, you can add a new one. Now, down below, we have the automatic backups. Defaultly, this option is turned off. In my case, as you can see, I put it only monthly, which means that each month the backup will be automatically made and I don't need to do this manually. Pretty cool thing and worth enabling. You can pick between those modes. Let's also include the videos in our backup. And on the bottom, we have end-to-end encrypted backup. It's not necessary to turn it on. It's like an extra security feature. If you choose to turn it on, you'll be able to create a unique password that you will need to type in the future if you want to restore your chats. But be aware that if you create it and when you forget it, you won't be able to restore your chats. So if you choose to create it, don't forget it. Also, make sure that you have some free Google storage space. And to create a backup, hit this button. The process has now started. Alright. Everything went fine. As you take a look on the last backup, we have the hour, and as you take a look, it's the same, so that's like a confirmation that everything went successfully. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe.